We'll guide you through how to remove Blackbox AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to completely remove Blackbox from their computer when they no longer use it or experience issues. Some users need to free up storage space, fix software conflicts, or reinstall the program. This guide provides clear steps to uninstall it properly and confirm deletion. To begin this tutorial, click Search in the bottom left corner of your computer to begin the process of removing the application from your system. When the search bar appears, type Control Panel in the field provided so you can access the system settings. Next, click Open to launch the Control Panel window on your screen. Once the Control Panel is fully open, look for the Program menu and click Uninstall a Program to view the list of applications currently installed on your device. After the list of programs appears, move your cursor to the search box located in the top right corner of the window. Then, click Search in the top right corner and type Blackbox to quickly find the specific program you want to remove. Wait a moment while the system filters the results. Once it appears in the list, right-click on the Blackbox program to open a small options menu. Then, click Uninstall from the available options to begin the removal process. A confirmation message may appear on your screen to ensure that you want to continue. Click Yes to confirm your decision. The system will begin removing the application and its related files. Wait patiently for the uninstallation process to complete, and do not close the window while the process is running. Once finished, a notification will appear indicating that the program has been successfully removed. Click OK to close the notification window. Blackbox will be automatically deleted from your device at this point. To check whether it has been deleted or not, click Search in the top right corner of the program list again. Then, type Blackbox in the search field. If Blackbox does not appear in the search results, it means you have successfully deleted it from your computer and completed the process correctly.